Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about ChatGPT versus Claude versus Gemini. Now these are the three tools which are going to change your life if you use them accurately. And if you want to learn about digital skills, AI tools, you are at the right place. I'm going to help you with all of them. Let's begin with today's video. I'm going to talk about what is the difference between them, why you should use all of them, why you should stick to one, and what is the main difference between all of them. Let's talk about ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Yes, so first let me open the site of ChatGPT. I'm going to open this. As you can see here, ChatGPT will be opened. ChatGPT has done a lot of features upgradation, which as you can see here also, there's a lot of things which has been added. But what makes ChatGPT different from Claude? And if you click on the Claude website, you will see the interface like that, the simple interface. And if you look at the Gemini also, you'll get the interface like that. Now if you look at ChatGPT, how you can differentiate. Now if you are a student, specifically talking about students, then I'll move on to professionals. Specifically talking about students, if you want to make notes in the form of mind maps. So if you want to create mind maps, ChatGPT can make better mind maps as compared to Google, Gemini, and Claude. Yes, I'm telling you right. This is something which I have examined, or I would say I have researched on it, and I know that this better works. And if you want to create infographics, ChatGPT is really going to help you for that, and it is going to give you a great comprehensive content in your infographics. The integration, the content enrichment will be very good if you compare that with Claude. But what makes Claude different? When it comes to Claude, if you want to go with PDF creation, then ChatGPT is not going to help you. Now the thing is, if you have to cross it, that PDF does not work. Yes, when you ask ChatGPT to create a PDF, ChatGPT will not let you create those PDF which are having the accurate information, researching, and whole set of complete data into one PDF. If you want to do that, no, ChatGPT will not do that for you. But if you want to use Claude and to create PDF in minutes or 2 minutes, it will take based on the research that you want. It will create that PDF for you. You just need to type a particular prompt here. For example, you can create your prompt as well. For example, I mostly write your prompt in a way of giving my voice or speech to text app. I use speech to text app like this. So for example, this is the speech to text app. Any app that you want to use. For example, I'm using this app, the Quillbot. This will provide you online speech to text converter, because any prompt that you want to write, you can start with that. You just need to start and write your prompt, anything that comes in your mind, in order to create your PDF. For example, you want to create a PDF on history, and that is a whole chapter, that is a whole context is behind what did happen, where it did happen, what was the year, why it happened, and all of the things which need to be there in the PDF. Claude will help you and to create that very accurately. So Claude has accurate creation when it comes to PDF. So if you want to create PDF, go with Claude. Do not think about any other thing or any other AI tool. Moving forward to the Gemini. If you see, Gemini has one of the most image creation best advancement in it. That is, if you want to create any image out of anything, like if you want to do any prompt, and then if you want to change that, this Gemini will help you, really help you a lot. For that case, my previous video, I also told about the Gemini prompts. You just need to write here Gemini prompts. If you write here, you'll get a number of Gemini prompts for images. You'll get on Pinterest also, and for image editing. Yes, so you have to write that, and you'll get multiple websites where you can get multiple rich Gemini prompts that you can copy and paste to use to get the perfect image creation. So for example, if you go into this website, you will see that there are now these kind of images will be created by you in seconds. Now what you can do is you just need to copy paste that. For example, I like this one. I want to create that similar one with my image. I just need to look at the image. I don't need to look at the prompt also. I just need to copy that prompt and paste it over there in the Gemini. And yeah, this is something where you can integrate your own image also. By clicking on here, you can upload your file and change everything related to it. And Gemini is going to help you with that really very easy process. The thing is, when you want to create any YouTube thumbnail, if you're using any YouTube channel, if you want to create YouTube thumbnails, if you want to create posters, anything for your company, especially like videos also. Now video images means, like for example, your video needs images, and just they need that slide kind of video where one image, second image, third image comes, and that's it, where you want to just show your information related to your business, then ChatGPT is really going to help that to create accurate HD quality images. And you just need to write the ratio, and you just need to write the prompt, which I told you. You can use speech to text and then start it. You can also use speech to text here by using on ChatGPT. Apart from that, when we talk about creation of multiple choice questions, if you are a student and multiple choice questions are in demand today, then you can make use of Claude, because ChatGPT is also going to help you, but Claude will create a good interface, a dynamic interface where you can go and search about MCQs related to the particular topic, and it will generate multiples of MCQs for that particular topic. So if you are a student, want to create PDF and MCQs, then go with Claude. If you are a student wanting to create mind maps, infographics, and if you're a YouTuber, YT, thumbnails, posters, video images, then go with ChatGPT. And if you are just looking for your Instagram upheaval, that is, you just want that your Instagram should look aesthetic and should look the best, then go with Gemini, because Gemini image creation is one of the best image creation that is going to blow your Instagram account, your Facebook account. So this is all about today's video, where I just talked about the simple ways that makes ChatGPT, Gemini, Google and the Claude different from each other. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such content. We'll meet you in the next video and will help you for anything that is happening in this digital era. Please subscribe to my channel for more such content.